Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So skills are Claude's goals and your smarter way to extend Claude's capability. Unlike slash commands that you manually invoke with slash command, skills can be also triggered by Claude when the task matches their description. Think of skills as specialized knowledge that Claude loads automatically when relevant. This makes them more powerful than slash commands or workflows that Claude shouldn't know uh, or basically should know to use without being told. According to Anthropic's official documentation, the best skills follow specific repeatable tasks, have a clear instruction that schools can follow, include examples when useful, define when they should be used, focus on workflow rather than trying to do everything. So in this guide, I will show you how skills work and how to use them effectively. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you have to understand how skills load. Solve the problem of context or load by releasing information gradually. For a startup, only the skill's name and description are loaded. 100 tokens per skill, for example, so when triggered, all instructions are loaded as well. As needed, references are loaded only when the task requires them. So this keeps context clean while making rich knowledge available on demand. The agent decides whether to load your skill based entirely on the description field. If the description is vague, the skill won't load when you need it. If the description is too narrow, which won't load for variations of the same request. So the description must be perfect. You should understand skills versus such commands. Find available skills, use the skill wizard to discover skills, then use skills for common workflows. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.